after day, but the stars are dark and I see shadows. No one can save me from this truth. I promise that I will never kill. Cold air comes over my misery, and I run and scream. No one hears me, no God above who will save me. Suddenly a bright light fills my head. It feels like I am going mad. I look around myself and see the black rose in front of me. The ground under my feet tries to hold me. Whoa. The trees next to me wanna catch me. My throat books up itself, it hurts. My mind restricts on me. Cold air comes over my misery, and I run and scream. No one hears me, no God above who will save me. Suddenly a bright light fills my head. It feels like I am going mad. I look around myself and see the black rose in front of me. I lift my head to the sky. The white light shines up and so high. I look around myself and see the black rose in front of me. In front of me. And I run and scream.